Hi, this is Anthony from CarPlayLife.com, and today we're looking at the iNassen USB-C to 3.5 cable. So this is a cable that will basically allow you to convert your USB input to a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So if you've got a pair of old Apple earbuds, basically with the 3.5 jack on the end, you can take this cable and literally plug it into there and then plug this end with the USB-C into your iPad Pro. There's no point talking about MacBooks and things like that because they've already got a 3.5 jack. So you simply plug it into the side there, and away you go using your existing 3.5 earbuds. Again, if you've got a very decent pair of headphones that you're quite partial to, and you don't feel like buying anything like a Bluetooth set of headphones or a USB-C set of headphones, you can just literally continue to use your existing pair, and this little cable will allow you to use your old pair of headphones with your USB-C iPad Pro. So from end to end it's about 13 centimeters, which is enough to give you some room if you've got this connected to a chunky 3.5 end of your headphones. It's not too long to make your cable feel just too long, so it's a good enough length. It's braided, so it's definitely going to be tough enough to last a long while, and it's connected pretty well at both ends here too. And you've got just a chrome silver connectors here, no gold plated. It has a built-in DAC for with 32-bit sound, so a lot of these cables are 24-bit, so it's definitely going to give you a good audio quality. And because of that high range, it's much less hiss and general added noise that a lot of these cables do give you. So overall it's not a bad cable if you want to convert your existing headphones to a USB connection, predominantly for smartphones, Samsungs for example, iPad Pro, and various USB-C enabled devices. So if you're looking to breathe new life into your USB-C device and use an existing pair of headphones that are 3.5 millimeter, you can look no further than the iNassen USB-C to 3.5 cable. It retails for about $7.99 on Amazon. Look for the link in the show notes, and look out for our full review on CarPlayLife.com very soon. Alright, thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, bye.